Today, we're diving into one of America's most iconic creations, the cheeseburger. It's a comfort food classic loved worldwide, but have you ever stopped to wonder where it came from, or why it became such a phenomenon? Stick around, because we're uncovering some juicy facts and untold stories behind this beloved American staple. Let's get started. Cheeseburgers are everywhere, from fast food joints to gourmet restaurants. But did you know that its exact origins are a hotly debated topic? Some say it was invented in Pasadena, California, by a chef named Lionel Sternberger in the 1920s, who reportedly added a slice of cheese to a hamburger on a whim. Others believe different versions popped up around the same time in other states. Wherever it started, this simple addition transformed the hamburger into a global phenomenon. In the early 20th century, hamburgers were already a popular, inexpensive food, but adding cheese, that was groundbreaking. Lionel Sternberger's innovation at the Rite Spot diner is said to have sparked a trend that would change the culinary world. The term, cheeseburger, didn't appear in print until 1936, when it was trademarked by a restaurant in Denver, Colorado. Here's something surprising. Cheeseburgers didn't immediately become the cultural icon they are today. It wasn't until fast food chains like McDonald's and Burger King popularized the cheeseburger in the 1950s that it became a staple of American dining. And get this, the classic cheeseburger we know today, beef patty, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, and pickles, was shaped by these fast food giants. Before that, toppings varied widely depending on where you were in the country. But why cheese? Well, cheese not only enhances the flavor of the patty but also helps retain its juiciness. American cheese, the classic choice, melts perfectly over the patty, giving that ooey gooey texture we love. And while American cheese is the go-to, cheeseburgers today can be made with cheddar, Swiss, blue cheese, or even brie for a gourmet twist. Did you know there's a Cheeseburger Day? Every year on September 18th, America celebrates this delicious creation? Oh, and in the small town of Seymour, Wisconsin, they claim to be the home of the hamburger, hosting a giant cheeseburger festival each summer, complete with a massive 5,000-pound burger. Cheeseburgers aren't just an American favorite, they're a global obsession. Americans consume over 50 billion burgers each year, and the cheeseburger accounts for a significant chunk of that. And it's not just fast food. Gourmet cheeseburgers are now featured in Michelin-starred restaurants, proving this humble dish has truly leveled up. Did you know that the most expensive cheeseburger in the world costs over $5,000? It's served at a restaurant in Las Vegas, featuring wagyu beef, foie gras, black truffles, and gold leaf. Talk about a luxurious bite. And on the flip side, the first McDonald's cheeseburger sold for just 19 cents when it was introduced in 1948. Now, let's talk about making the perfect cheeseburger at home. The key is starting with high-quality ground beef. 80% lean for the perfect balance of juiciness and flavor. Shape the patty gently, season it well, and cook it on a hot grill or skillet. Add your cheese in the last minute so it melts perfectly. Stack it up with fresh lettuce, tomato, pickles, and your favorite sauce, and voila! A classic cheeseburger you can enjoy any day. Cheeseburgers aren't just one size fits all. In the South, you might find a pimento cheeseburger topped with creamy pimento cheese. Out West, green chili cheeseburgers reign supreme, especially in New Mexico. And let's not forget the iconic Juicy Lucy from Minnesota, where the cheese is stuffed inside the patty for a molten surprise. The cheeseburger isn't just food, it's a cultural icon. It's been featured in movies, songs, and even pop art. Remember the Cheeseburger in Paradise song by Jimmy Buffett? Or Andy Warhol's famous painting of a burger. This simple sandwich has made its mark on both pop culture and the culinary world. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are cheeseburgers bad for you? While they've had a bad rap for being unhealthy, a cheeseburger can actually be part of a balanced diet if made with quality ingredients. Leaner beef, whole grain buns, and plenty of fresh veggies can turn this indulgence into a wholesome meal. Plus, the protein and iron in the beef, along with calcium from the cheese, provide essential nutrients. It's all about moderation. While the cheeseburger is undeniably American, it's been adapted worldwide in fascinating ways. In Japan, you'll find teriyaki cheeseburgers featuring a sweet soy glaze. India offers vegetarian cheeseburgers made with spicy potato patties. And in Australia, they add a slice of beetroot for a unique twist. It's amazing how one dish can take on so many cultural influences. Speaking of twists, modern chefs and food enthusiasts have taken cheeseburgers to new heights. Have you tried a ramen burger, where fried ramen noodles replace the bun, or a donut cheeseburger, which uses glazed donuts for a sweet and savory combo? These creative variations show how the cheeseburger continues to evolve and surprise us. Did you know the US military played a role in spreading the cheeseburger? During World War II, hamburgers and cheeseburgers became staples in military mess halls due to their simplicity and nutritional value. This helped cement their place as an American comfort food, even for soldiers stationed overseas. From its mysterious origins to its worldwide adaptations, the cheeseburger is much more than a meal. It's a story of creativity, culture, and connection. What's your favorite way to enjoy a cheeseburger? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty adventures. Until next time, happy grilling!